Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with awkward gaps or uneven spacing on your WordPress website, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to add a spacer block in WordPress step by step so you can create clean, professional looking layouts in just a few clicks. This is the full guide, so whether you're using WordPress for a blog, portfolio, or business site, this trick will instantly make your design look more polished. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress homepage. On the top right corner, click Login. Now, if you want a quick and secure way to log in, you can use your Google account for instant access. It saves you time and avoids typing in credentials every single time. Once you're logged in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard. From here, click on Edit Site. This will take you into the WordPress site editor where you can make all your design changes. Inside the editor, look toward the top left corner and click on the plus icon. This button opens up your block library. Basically, your toolbox for adding anything to a page. Text, images, buttons, and of course, spacers. You can scroll through the list, but since there are a ton of blocks, the fastest way is to use the search bar at the top. Now, type spacer in the search bar. Once you see it appear, click on the spacer block to insert it into your layout. You'll notice a blank space added to your page. That's your spacer. It might not look like much at first, but it's incredibly useful for separating sections, balancing white space, and improving your page flow. Think of it as an invisible divider that keeps your content organized and visually appealing. Now, let's adjust the height of the spacer. Simply click on the spacer area and you'll see a small handle or slider that lets you drag it taller or shorter, depending on how much space you want between your sections. Once you're happy with the spacing, go to the top right corner and click Save. This step is super important. Saving ensures that all your edits are applied to your live website so your visitors can see the updated layout right away. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a spacer block in WordPress. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how your site looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy WordPress tips, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover another block next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we make your WordPress site even better.